Hi everyone, meteorologist JD Rudd here with you with this video blog update for tonight. So many things to talk about with the upcoming setup for Sunday. I figured pictures are worth 1,000 words, so instead of typing everything out, we'll kind of go through this in video style. We'll start off here with the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma for Sunday. It's got the slight risk category over parts of our viewing area, and as I always say, do not be taken back by the term slight. Don't put that aside. We've still had times where tornadoes and large hail and some very destructive thunderstorms have happened on a slight risk day. So again, don't be confused by the term slight. Some just go, oh, it's a slight risk, it's not going to happen. That's not the case. The bottom line here is we have a chance for some strong thunderstorms in some areas on Sunday. Does it mean everybody's going to see one? No, not at all. It just means we have the chance for them to happen. And we're not the only areas dealing with that. Take a look at this. We're talking all the way up from about the Iowa and Minnesota line, all the way down through parts of Kansas and into Oklahoma. So it could be an active afternoon for some areas. Let's zero in on our locale, though, break it down to our coverage counties that we are responsible for. You see the area in yellow there? That, again, is the area most likely, as it stands right now, to see those strong showers and thunderstorms. I think the window kind of opens up between 4 p.m. and the severe threat should go away by about midnight on Sunday, as it stands right now. Of the strongest storms that do get going, I think large hail, high wind, and perhaps even a tornado warning or two not out of the question. But again, that's on the strongest storms that we get, not every single storm that forms. Something to keep in mind. So the overall risk index, I think I'm going to give this a 6, which means a 60% chance of a severe thunderstorm in our coverage area somewhere. That would include high wind gusts over 65 miles an hour, hail over 1 inch in size. I'm pretty confident we'll see some form of a watch in the area on Sunday afternoon to Sunday evening, and I wouldn't be surprised to have a few warnings in the area as well. And again, that time frame is about 4 p.m. through midnight. To walk you through with our latest computer forecast model, our in-house POWERCAST model, notice a couple of things here. First, to start the day off, it tries to indicate a couple of morning showers and thunderstorms off to our north. It's putting them up by the Omaha area now, but I wouldn't be surprised if something tries to manifest itself in far northwestern Missouri. It'll start off on the warm side, so as you know, we're going to kind of boil this pot over on Sunday. Look at the temperatures by noon, already into the mid-70s. Now, the Royals game, no issue there at all. Sunshine, south-southwest wind blowing out at around 15 to 25 miles an hour. It's going to be a warm, windy, toasty day at the ballpark, especially in that sunshine. Now, based on the newest computer forecast model here, it's delaying the showers and storms a little bit. Earlier, it was kind of indicating this line through here would blossom up a little bit more by 4 or 5 o'clock. Now, the computer forecast model is kind of holding that back a little bit. You'll see things take off a little bit more in earnest here after about 7, 8 o'clock on Sunday, which in some regards, we've referred to this in the past before as sunset magic. Usually, once that sun starts to go down, the atmosphere's cap weakens a little bit, and that's when the pot tends to boil over, and we see these showers and thunderstorms that start to work their way through. Also, something else to notice, too, these little darker areas being indicated by POWERCAST, that may be where we see some of those supercells that could produce the stronger wind gusts and the hail as well. Now, I also have to watch out, too, and see if this kind of forms a little bit of a line through the evening. If we do get some linear shape to this, that's when we have the risk for straight line wind, and you can kind of see a little bit of an indication of that here as this line tries to come together. Also notice, too, on the timing, it puts the showers and storms in and around Metro about 9, 10 o'clock on Sunday. And again, that's based on the latest computer forecast model, which is likely to change as we go into early tomorrow morning. Also, the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center will be updated at about midnight tonight and again at around 7 o'clock on Sunday morning. So a few more updates coming on those. So make sure you stay with us for that information. To kind of surmise all this a little for you, I think it's a decent chance for large hail somewhere in the viewing area on Sunday. I think a pretty good chance for some strong wind gusts, perhaps over 60 miles an hour. And the tornado threat is not zero. I think it's a small chance, but as of right now, this does not look like a classic setup for a massive tornado outbreak. But again, that does not mean we won't have a couple of warnings or two somewhere in the viewing area. Also, a good idea to remind you the difference between a watch and a warning. Some folks still kind of get confused on these. A watch means watch out. Be prepared for something bad to happen. This is where you have to monitor the forecast. Have our apps with you, have our website with you, and keep up to date on the radar. Know where to go if a storm does blossom up over your area, and have a way to get those weather alerts when they are issued. Now, when a warning happens, that is your call to action. It means bad weather is about to happen in or around your area. Seek shelter immediately. Make sure you continue to monitor those weather updates and stay in your shelter until the all clear is given. A few things to keep in mind, too, when it comes to thunderstorms. Get inside. When thunder roars, go indoors. Stay away from windows and expect rapid changes in some of these showers and thunderstorms. Of course, stay with 41 Action News. We will keep you posted. Now, Sunday is not looking like a huge, big, ruckus rampage of severe weather at all, but by now you've probably heard about Tuesday. Let's talk about that for a second. The dynamics are coming together here for some big-time thunderstorms across parts of south central Kansas, central Oklahoma, and into Texas. This is still subject to change a little bit, and this little area may be shifted a little farther west, a little farther east, and perhaps even a little farther north. As it stands right now, parts of Kansas City and our viewing area would be included in some areas that might see some stronger thunderstorms. And again, that's for Tuesday evening into Tuesday night. Let's get through Sunday first, and then we'll talk more about that. Could be a bumpy week ahead. Keep in mind, though, it is the end of April. It is severe weather season. Now is the time for the strong showers and thunderstorms. And in case you missed it, our severe weather special is online now, kshb.com/surviving the storm, I believe it is. You can find our severe weather special to find out tips on how to stay safe. We take you inside a tornado and so many other things, too. It's all online at kshb.com. Thank you for watching the video blog. We'll give you more updates as the weekend rolls on.